Farming simulator.
I think this is gonna be the last one.
Yes,
for
same
me.
for us, same for us.
Sweet.
Good games, guys.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck.
Yes.
My push to talk doesn't work.
You turn it off?
Nah, it's just Mac
Hmm. Yeah,
for some reason.
Mac would blast the music randomly in game, even when I had all volume turned down. So I'd have to throw my headset like on the floor because it was that loud. It was like hurting my ears,
Hmm.
and it would happen like all of a sudden.
They're getting a maze. Oh, nice bump. Nice bump.
Nice.
Alright, double maze.
Riding, baby.
They're way. They're gonna try to get up to her.
I'm going speed.
He jumped. Get that speed,
We're-
Miss
yeah,
Cheese.
we're-
I'm up.
On the right.
Yeah, sounds good. Fuck, I fucked up.
Yeah, space out more.
Oh wow, I'm dead too.
Oh shit! I was watching Microwave on dead. Come on, last. We got a maze.
Oh shit.
Here.
We got a maze.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Oh, we win anyway.
Yeah, my spacing was off. Alright, same thing. I'll get rid of the middle berries and get up.
Yeah, right.
Ah, shit.
We'll get a sword. Bottom left.
Nice flash. I'm out. We're two.
Get up.
Yeah.
Get out.
Yeah, they're three. Wow. I'm down. We're two.
Alright, they're one.
What? Okay.
He's dead.
I guess it worked.
Shit.
That's weird.
I just like play like like really risky.
What? Oh shit. I forgot to press the SM down.
No. What's happening? Oh, no. No, I thought I was about to just die.
These Louise.
Yeah. Shit, man.
You got one out.
Wow, I didn't get in there in time.
Ah,
Oh,
fuck.
that was a good shot there.
Oh, dude.
Got this.
Down.
What a monster. Oh, Jesus. He waited for the last possible second to dash, you know?
I mean, he's safe from getting dived on top, so he's just gonna camp
Oh,
there.
yeah, you're right, because of the stupid ledge. Wow, that was powerful.
I'll do middle berries. You guys get up.
I'll go there.
He went ours.
I went theirs. Didn't get it.
They won the mids. Shit.
It's all good.
Like, they
Come on, miss.
didn't knock anyone up. This entire game.
We're two. They're running that snail too. They're trying to split it.
I'm just gonna let you guys be. Nah, let's ride this name back. Oh shit. Yeah, you take care of the snail.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll ledge. Oh wait,
Yeah,
are you down?
Get him
Did
one
no
more
one take
turn.
care of the stuff?
I'm coming.
They need 3 berries.
Ooh, Adam just made one of ours.
Okay, I'm getting out of snail.
Okay, yeah.
Nice. There's Barry right here next to me.
Nice. I feel like we can't depend on Microwave playing that bad.
I'm playing pretty bad. I'm pretty.
I mean, I'm pretty out of it. Like, I haven't slept. And
Yeah.